Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name's Shahrukh, I'm a Muslim and a doctor, and today I thought it would be good to go over the essential medications for Hajj. So the first thing is that you need to make sure you have your prescription medications. Any medications that you take, that you know you take from the doctor, make sure you get a fresh supply before you go. It's also important to try and get a prescription pad with all your medications on them, so that you can show that to the authorities in case they ask you why you need certain medications. This is particularly good for if you're carrying things like EpiPens or inhalers. Moving on. Important to have some type of painkiller. Paracetamol is a classic and it usually works, and I would highly recommend that you take some of this for your journey. You can also take something like ibuprofen as well. The next thing would be Imodium. Imodium contains something called loperamide. It works, it's an anti-diarrheal medication that'll help you a lot if you get sick and you have to go to the bathroom a lot. This will help reduce the urge to go to the toilet so that you'll be able to function throughout the day. Very important. Hajj cough is really common, and it's important to have some kind of cough syrup to help you combat that. You could also have some kind of, like soothers, or Jakeman's is the one I like. Some kind of lozenge to help you deal with that cough when you're on Hajj. Of course, prevention is better than cure, so face masks are really useful. They will help prevent you from getting sick in the first place. What will also help is some alcohol hand gel you use every time you get in and out of the mosques. After you've shaken hands with people, use some hand gel, keep yourself free of germs. Something else that helps keep you free of sickness is vitamin C tablets. Take one of these every day. No matter if you're sick or not, take one every day. It helps boost your immune system. It helps prevent you from getting sick. And the last essential, I would say, are some kind of plasters. Just any type of plaster will do. It's also, I would say, recommended to take some kind of bandage as well. And these will help whenever you get little cuts and bruises and scrapes, as you most likely will. The other essential actually is firstly moisturizer. So anything, some kind of E45 cream, any kind of cream. Hajj is quite taxing on the feet. You're doing a lot of walking, and this is good to help prevent and treat things like blisters and dry skin. Speaking of walking, it's also good to have some kind of muscle rub, something for the muscles and the joints when they start aching after all the walking. You don't have to use deep heat. You can use any ibuprofen gel, diclofenac, deep heat, anything like that. Vaseline is also really useful for its anti-chafing properties, especially when men are wearing ihram. They get quite a lot of friction down below where their legs are rubbing against each other with a lot of walking. Vaseline, you probably need a bigger tub than this, but Vaseline helps a lot in terms of reducing that friction and helping to prevent heat rash. Those are all the essentials. There's a couple of bonus things that I'd also recommend as well. Firstly, antibacterial wipes of any brand. These are just the ones I've got. Very useful. Glucose tablets are also quite good for a little bit of energy when you're out in Mina with all the walking. Any brand will do. Another thing that can be useful is rehydration salts or sachets or tablets. It gives you the salts that you need as well as the water that you're drinking them and that you're taking them with. It helps rehydrate you in a better way than just water would. It also helps to take away some of the fatigue that you're going to get from all the walking that you're going to do. So that's pretty much my list of all the medications that I'd recommend. We'll go over them once again. Prescription medications, painkillers, Imodium, hand sanitizers, cough syrup and cough sweet. You have your glucose tablets and your rehydration tablets or sachets. You have your creams, your E45 moisturizing cream for your feet, as well as your gel for muscle aches and pains. A little pack of plasters and bandages. These Vaseline, very important. Vitamin C, antibacterial wipes, and face masks. Jazakallah khair for watching. I hope you have a very blessed journey on Hajj or Umrah. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.